Hello everyone. In continuation to our topic maintenance management, this is question number 11, which is related to replacement policy, means finding out the optimal replacement period when the time value of my money is being considered. The question 11 is, a machine's purchase cost was rupees 2 lakhs. Its cost of capital is 12% per annum. Its maintenance cost and resale value for 3 years is given below. Find the optimal replacement period. At the end of year 1, 2, 3, they gave us how much is the maintenance cost incurred, and at the end of the year, what will be the resale value for the machine. So 15,000, 20,000, and 60,000 are given for the respective 3 years. Resale value is given as 1,60,000 and 0. So let us proceed with the solution. Given the purchase cost is rupees 2 lakhs, we are going to call that as C, capital C. This maintenance cost, we are going to call it as MC. Resale value, we are calling it as S. And PV is our present value, because here they gave us cost of capital. We need to consider the present value of the cost of, based on the cost of capital. CUM means cumulative. These are some of the abbreviations we are using. Discounting factor is nothing but the cost of capital, or it can be the interest rate per annum. AF is the annuity factor or the cumulative discounting factor, and AC is the average cost, or here in this case, it is equivalent annual cost. So let us create a table as below. The first three columns are as it is the question, whatever it's specified. Discounting factor. See, the first one for the year 1, it will become 1 divided by 1.12. So you get 0.893. Then for the second year, it is 1 divided by 1.12, the square, that will give you 0.797. Third one, 1 divided by 1.1, the cube, you get 0.712. Now, present value of the maintenance cost is 15,000 multiplied by this, 20,000 multiplied by this number, 60,000 multiplied by this number. So let us do that. First one, 15,000 into 0.893. If we do that, we get 13395. 20,000 into 0.797, we get 15,940. Third one, 60,000 into 0.712, we get 42,720. Next is we will be finding out the cumulative present value of the maintenance cost. First one will be as it is, 13395. Then 13395 plus 15,940. We get 29,335. Then 29,335 plus 42,720. We get 72,055. Then the present value of the resale value means 1 lakh multiplied by this 0.893, we get 89,300. Then 60,000 multiplied by 0.797, we get 47,820. For the value 0, it will be 0 only. Now, capital loss is the original cost, that is 2 lakhs, minus the present value of this, means 2 lakh minus 89,300. We get 110,700. Then 2 lakhs minus 47,820. We get 152,180. Then third one, 2 lakh minus 0, it is 2 lakhs only. Total cost will be this capital loss plus Just a moment. Plus 13395 means this cumulative present value of maintenance cost plus this. We get the total cost. This plus this. So first one we will get 124095. Then second one 29335 plus 152180. We get 181515. Third one we get 72055 plus 2 lakhs, that is 272,055. Annuity factor is the cumulative discount factor, which means first one will be 0.893. Next is 0.893 plus 0.797, we get 1.69. Then to this 1.69, we'll be adding the next discounting factor, which is 0.712 to get 2.402. Now, average cost or the equivalent annual cost will be total cost, that is this divided by this. So first one, 124095 divided by 0.893, we get 138,964. Second one, this 152,180, I'm sorry, 181,515 divided by 1.69. The cost is getting reduced, 107405. For the next one, it is 272,055 divided by 2.402. We get 113,262. Means the cost is increasing, which means we need to replace it at the end of second year. So the conclusion will be replace the machine at the end of year 2. So that will be our conclusion and the solution for this particular question.